down with Project Zorgo, give this video a big thumbs down. But if you're with me, and you live to see them get roasted, click that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. Let's do it. Did you know that my name is Mr. Hacker? Project Zorgo knows that I am not a slacker. Always on the lookout for me, the attacker. The only way to do it is if you got a tracker. Let me tell you about what I used to do. Not long ago I used to work with Zorgo True. I went by the name PC22, and now I don't, so I'm coming after all of you. PC9, PC10, don't me say it all again. PC, you just make it all so easy. You're so cheesy, please believe me. Hood so tight you can't even hear me. So listen up and do your best. Grab a pen, there'll be a test. Who is the one you're too scared to roast? How about the one you dislike the most? Oh man. Yeah, well, sorry Project Zorgo. Sometimes you just gotta get roasted, even if it's by one of your own. Well, not anymore I guess. Anyway, how about this? Project Zorgo, I can't hear you. Speak up louder, give me that preview. It's okay, you can't rap anyway. Figure out what the first word you're gonna say. What's the matter, Project Zorgo? You got nothing else to say? Come on. I know there's something you want to say to me. We had such a long time together. Maybe you need one more verse to help you out. Verse 2. Everybody knows that Project Zorgo doesn't rap. They're too busy chasing chat and V across a map. So I'll do you all a favor and I'll diss you in the song. Everybody doesn't like you, they can all sing along. Project Zorgo, no one cares about all your YouTube scares. Why don't you just give up now? Stand up, say it nice and loud. I'm the one that's worth 25 million. When I'm done, it better be a billion. Zorgo's always trying to figure out my next move. They better hurry cause I got a lot to prove. I'll say this once, now don't be scared, because I'm coming, so be prepared. Alright guys, ball's in your court now. I'm out. The only way to do it is if you got a tracker. Let me tell you about what I used to do. Not long ago I used to work with Zorgo True. I went by the name PC22, and now I don't, so I'm coming after all of you. PC9, PC10, don't me say it all again. PC, you just make it all so easy. You're so cheesy, please believe me. Hood so tight you can't even hear me. So listen up and do your best. Grab a pen, there'll be a test. Who is the one you're too scared to roast? How about the one you dislike the most? Oh man. Yeah, well, sorry Project Zorgo. Sometimes you just gotta get roasted, even if it's by one of your own. Well, not anymore I guess. Anyway.